Hello and welcome. This is Jilly Cube. I'm today doing something different. It's something for my granddaughter. So I was using actually a previously poured on MDF round, which I'm going to make into a little placemat or dinner placemat, whatever you call them. And I'm going to resin coat this. So it's for my 4.5-year-old granddaughter, and I'm going to I thought just do a very simple black background with a white blow-up out, and then I shall allow it all to dry before I put the decal on. So it's quite plain, but because the decal is a pretty little puppy dog, I'm just so happy how this one turned out, and especially after resin. So just see how easy you can create this. So it's just doing that very easy blowout, and yes, I did it in just black and white, so I could have done it bright colours, I guess, but it actually suits the resin decal that I've got for it. So we'll move along and have fun with this one.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy like talk radio on gravel.
Just add in a few little softeners in there to soften out my edges on this piece, and pretty happy with the blowout. Like I said, this is just for a background to the decal. That is one of those little dotting tools that I've got there that's very good for dotting and also doing some embellishment on it. So the next process was to left that to dry, which it dried beautifully, and now I'm going to add the decal. As you see, it's that very cute little puppy dog there, which she'll absolutely love, even though she's frightened to death of dogs. I don't know why. Granddaughter frightened of dogs. It's terrible. It's terrible. She must have been, I don't know, maybe scared by a dog at one time. Not our dogs. Our dogs are silly, stupid, loving and kind. But anyway, so I'm trying to get around with, puppy dog toys and things like this to see that, she can be cautious, but they are loving, kind animals. So I'm just carefully trying to take this off the wrap, and it is actually quite difficult. So trying to do it nice and carefully, not to split the decal at all. With decals for resin, I do like them having a clear background where this has got like a white in it. If it's clear, transparent, except for the decal, then your art will show through the colours, but this one wasn't. It's got the white, so it's a good job that I did the background white. But yeah, so I've actually got it off now, and I'm going to place it on my MDF round and really push it down. And it's always a good idea to add, I'll get my heat gun, and it heats up the glue, just giving it a whiz over. It'll heat up the glue on the decal, so when I'm pressing it down with the heat, it'll actually adhere to the surface so much better. That's what I found with experience anyway. there you go, cute as a button. So my next stage now is to mix my resin for this one. The only thing that I probably wished that I hadn't have done is when I mixed the resin, I did add a bit of the dragonfly glaze for sparkle. It is absolutely gorgeous, but it did, as you see, it takes the crispness of the black and white colour out of it, which, you know, you might find is a good thing when you see it dry. I've got it all dry and finished at the end, but it was for the sparkle look that I wanted it in there, to add sparkle to it. So after I put that blue masking tape around the edge of my my piece, then I could just spread out the resin, and hopefully it didn't go through. Yeah, I just spread it out with my gloved hand, because it is supposed to be self-leveling resin. This one was e-parency resin. There is a link in the description underneath my video for this particular resin. So I'm just spreading it out, and then I will go over it with my heat wand to burst any bubbles, and then just leave it to dry, and you have a look at the finish at the end. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around.
So this is the fun little placemat I did for my granddaughter. It's all resined, sparkling. Fun little puppy on it. The video full tutorial will be on my YouTube channel, so if you'd like to take a look, I'll add a link. But it was a fun creation.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.